welcome to Teach Me Tuesday. Today we're gonna make a collage out of these beautiful mixed media pieces. We have my positive bird here says, "Don't worry, be happy," and it is a project that takes colored or pattern papers and a little bit of paint and a little bit of glue, and you need scissors. This is a wonderful project for any age. Just something to do, make gift cards, or I mean not gift cards, but birthday cards to people, family members, or just something to do on a rainy Sunday. So let's begin. Okay, so what we have picked out is a mat board and different color paper with patterns. I picked the same color tones and to kind of see how I'm going to do. I will pick this color for his body, and you can do this if you want. If you want to draw the shape like this, you can cut it out. It can be any shape really, just think of each body part. So there's maybe his part. So I want to do the beaks, the beak and the feet and the wing and this one. So you can either draw it on the back and cut. I'm just going to freestyle it. The beak is kind of a triangle, so I'm just cutting out a triangle and putting it like this. That's for his there. And then maybe the same one for the wing, so that we could just kind of like a oval with sharp edges. Maybe like that. I'm gonna maybe use this for the eye. And I think this is nice, fun paper for his feet. The feet, I'm just going to do 2 strips like that. Just tuck them under. It's important not to glue it all, but just kind of arrange it before you glue it to see what things you have. Now I'm going to cut a heart shape out of this triangle for his tail. I'm going to do a long feature like that. That would be perfect for his little, maybe a little bit more narrow. Stick it under there. There. What else should we bring? Maybe I think I am ready now to put it on. I might want to, you see the red, it disappears a little bit there, so I might even do this color underneath. So he has his mouth. Like this. You can overlap the like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and we get the glue stick and you start gluing all the things. There, just a regular glue stick. Stick it on there. It's a great little project to do. For the youngest kids, you might want to just stick to squares and triangles and circles. The tail. got this little foamy thing. It just gives another dimension. Let's take that for his eyeball. So this is the first stage, and then we're gonna put paint and use markers to add some other dimensions to it. Thank you for joining me, and next week we will make this bird fly. Bye!